Hi guys, it's Lisa here, your independent Scentsy director. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you the contents of this big guy. So this is the January 2021 Scentsy Whiff Box. Now, if you're not familiar with these, you can check out my past videos of the Whiff Box, but this is basically Scentsy's subscription box that you can get from month to month. It's a mystery box, so the contents do change every month. It's kind of loosely based around a theme. It changes each month. So I want to share with you the contents of this big guy. It's heavy this month, so I wanted to share with you what's in here. Now, a couple things before we get started and I share with you all of the good stuff that's in the box. I want to let you know that the price of the Scentsy Whiff Box is $30. Now, that is US pricing, and as with all of my videos, I always quote the pricing without shipping and sales tax, just because depending on the area that you live in, that could vary a little bit. So please know that that's before shipping and taxes. So your local Scentsy consultant, or if you need a Scentsy consultant, you can get in touch with me and we can figure out what tax and shipping might look like for your area that you live in. All right, my friends, so let's get to it. Oh, I should tell you, so it's $30 for the Whiff Box normally. Now, even hosting a party for a Scentsy consultant, you can earn host rewards, right? Now, the host rewards cannot be applied to a Whiff Box, but there's always loopholes, right? So you can actually get a discounted Whiff Box if you are a member of the Scentsy Club. So a Scentsy Club is kind of our auto ship program, and I know what you're thinking. Here she goes again talking about Scentsy Club. It's one of my favorite perks of Scentsy that Scentsy offers for us, right? So you can join the Scentsy Club with no fees. You just pay for the products that you put in your club order, but a Whiff Box can be part of that. Now, one of the perks that you get as a Scentsy Club member, if you have a $30 order, you get 10% off your order, your entire order, as part of a Scentsy Club perk. If you have a $60 order, you get your 10% discount, plus you get an item at half price. And one of those items you can select is a Scentsy Whiff Box. It is such a great bargain. Now, I'm gonna add up the price as I show you what's in the Whiff Box this month, and I'll show you, even at $30, this is a great bargain because it's always worth more retail value of the products in here than $30. But when you can get this for $15 and still get this amount of products, guys, that's like a tremendous deal. So if a Scentsy Club subscription is something that you're interested in, let me know below. All my contact information is below. Shoot me an email or connect with me on Facebook and I can walk you through that process. It's really simple. All right, you guys ready? So as always, when I open up the box, I love even the Scentsy, just the box itself, even without the products. I like the little touches that they have, the little artistic things that are in here. I love that kind of stuff. All right, so each month, like I said, there's usually a flyer. Last month they didn't have a little flyer in here, but they're back with it this time. So this is our theme this year. It is Happy New Year. We are in different countries, and so there's a couple different languages in here, which is always sort of fun. Inside here, there's usually like a little craft that my family likes to do. So this month, it's a little spinning calendar that you can cut out and connect with one of the little brad nails, and you can spin this around and have a cute little calendar. On the back, a lot of times it shares with you the items that are in here and how to use them, especially the little wax cups and things like that. Just information about the Whiff Box. Whoo, guys, this is a good one. I'm gonna try and add these up as I go. I'm terrible at doing math in my head, so we'll see how that goes. But this is a good one. This is really good value this time. All right, so here's our first item. This is a Now and Zen Hand Cream. I should also let you know, little disclaimer here. Scentsy's boxes do change their contents every month. Now, if something runs low on inventory or is out of stock, they may switch it out with another scent or even another product, depending on how sales are going throughout the month. So what I get in my Whiff Box this month, I ordered this January 1st, may not be what you get later on in the month if you order after that. So just little FYI on that, but I'll share with you what typically is going to be in the box this month. All right, so first up, Now and Zen Hand Cream. I love our Scentsy hand cream. My hands get crazy super dry in the wintertime, actually pretty much all times of the year, but especially in the wintertime. So our hand cream is super thick, so you can actually put it on your finger and hold it upside down. It doesn't drip off or it's not greasy, which is like kind of like my measuring stick for hand cream, right? So anyway, for what it's worth, I love our hand cream. Now and Zen is a really fabulous scent. It's a nice, fresh, clean scent, which is kind of what the vibe I'm getting from all of these in here this month. And it's almost like a little bit masculine. Like I think my guys in my house would like Now and Zen as well. So for what that's worth. All right, the next item, I'm super pumped about this because I love our Scentsy Fresh. Scentsy Fresh is something that you can spray on fabrics, right? So think of things that you can't launder very easily, like furniture, dog beds, curtains, maybe carpets or area rugs, things that you just can't easily throw into the laundry. This is a really nice way to freshen up the scent a little bit with Scentsy Fresh. The scent that's in here is Clothesline, which I really love. It's another great, fresh, clean scent. Of course, it's like when you hang laundry out on the line in the summertime, right? And you get that really nice smell when you come in. My daughter told me the other day it smells like sunshine. That's what she thinks Clothesline smells like. I don't know that it smells like sunshine, but it smells really good for what that's worth. So Scentsy Fresh is really nice. I do tell customers, though, for Scentsy Fresh, if you are spraying it on a fabric for the first time, especially if you have like suede materials or something like that, you want to spray it on a tiny little area just to make sure it's not going to stain the material before you like go crazy on it. It's also really nice for bedding. So before I make my bed in the morning, I spray a little Scentsy Fresh on it because then when we pull the covers back at nighttime, it smells really good. So just a couple ways you can use that. All right, so I'm going to keep going, then I'm going to try and add all these up at the end. So we always get a wax bar in here. Typically, it's the wax bar that is the scent of the month, and that happens to be the case for this month. So I've already reviewed this scent in my last video for scent of the month. It is Jade and Jasmine. It's a fabulous, it's like a masculine, clean, with a tiny bit of lemon in it. Oh, it's a really good scent. So check out my video for Jade and Jasmine. You'll get the full description on that, but you will get a bar of that. Whew, this is the big guy. This 2 pound, this is why this box is so heavy, 2 pound bag of Scentsy soak. So this is our bath soak that you can add in here. Bath soak is so nice. If you guys haven't used this yet, I typically don't take a lot of baths. I don't sit still long enough to sit in the bath. I like showers instead because I like to be in and out. But I do like a good foot soak. So my daughter and I got little tubs from the dollar store, and we like to soak our feet with a little bit of Scentsy soak in there. It makes your skin feel so nice and soft. I was gonna try and read some of these materials, but I gotta like hold it back here. So anyway, it's got a lot of great materials. I'll try and list some of those below for you. It's got really nice moisturizers in it, but it doesn't make your tub feel slippery, which is the bonus for me. It doesn't stain your tub either, which is nice, of course. But I really love our Scentsy soaks. It's got some Epsom salts in there, some Himalayan pink sea salts, the shea butter. Like, it's got all the really nice good stuff in there. So I'll try and list a few of those below. So this alone is $12. I'm gonna add this price up, right? $12 for that, $12 for the Scentsy soak, so there's $24. A wax bar is $6, so there's $30. This is all like regular pricing, no sale pricing on that. But so there you're at $30, and a hand cream is $9. So my friends, you are looking at $39 retail value for 30 bucks. Or if you get it as a Scentsy Club perk, you're looking at $15 for $39 worth of products. I told you it was a good deal, right? Last but not least, there's usually a sample in here. Last month we didn't have the samples just because of the contents changed a little bit, but we're back to our sample wax cups. These are really big samples. So a wax cup is something that you can just pop the lid off of this, and you can actually tip this upside down and just drop the wax right into your warmer, and it's really fabulous. Ah, my friends, I'm not going to give you too much of a description on this because this is actually a little perk, again, of the Whiff Box. If you order this early in the month, this is a sample of what is coming for February. So this is going to be our February scent of the month. It is called Red Pear and Pomegranate. If you like fruity scents, just don't even think twice and order this one. It is so good. This is one of our scents, and I've said this before. It smells like effervescence. You know what I mean? Like, you know that bubbly scent that you get? My favorite thing at the holidays, I say this all the time, my favorite drink at the holidays is like the flavored ginger ales, like the cranberries and that kind of stuff. And you know how when you smell like a soda and it smells bubbly? I say this all the time, and I know what I mean, but I don't know if it translates. That's what this smells like to me, and it's fruity and some like almost summery, spring-like. It's so fabulous. If you like fruity scents, you're gonna love this one. Red Pear and Pomegranate. That's a thumbs up already for me. So my friends, that is what's in the Whiff Box for January 2021. Again, contents may vary, and you know, just depending on your region and depending on how supplies last throughout the month. Just know that. But it is a fabulous deal, so you can still get your hands on one at this point. They have not sold out yet for this month at the time of this recording, at least. So if you want to get your hands on one, make sure you contact me. All my information is below. I'll try and share what's in the whiff box again in the description. But I hope you guys love this one. I hope you love this whiff box. If you got it yourself, let me know if you got the same contents or if anything varied in your box below in the comments. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We would certainly love to have you do that. And until next time, my friends, always remember to keep smiling and be kind to one another. I'll talk to you soon.